I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your account on BigCommerce is essential for ensuring the security and functionality of your online store. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your BigCommerce account using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. You can find this option in the main menu on the left side of your dashboard. Step 3. Find verification options. In the account settings, look for the verification or security tab. This is where you will see options related to verifying your account. Step 4. Choose verification methods. Select your preferred method of verification, which could be via email or phone number. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting your verification method, check your email or phone for a confirmation code. Enter this code back in the BigCommerce interface to complete the verification process. Remember, if you don't receive the confirmation code, check your spam folder or ensure that the phone number you entered is correct. Verifying your account is a straightforward process, and following these steps will help you get it done quickly. Good luck with your store.